Okay, so normally I will do thick cut bacon. However, thick cut you obviously get less pieces. So it really just depends on how many people and how much money you're wanting to spend. So how much you want to spend and how many people you're trying to cook for. Today it's just me and Jason. But I am going to be making baked potatoes for dinner later, I think. Like loaded baked potato. So some of this bacon will be chopped up for that purpose. So you want to cook your bacon to where it starts to get this nice pretty brown color. Once it starts popping, y'all know, like, you know, something gotta happen. You want to also drain your pan in between, or you can lower the heat a little bit. Nobody got time to be getting burned by no hot grease, you know what I'm saying? I just find that when I flip the bacon constantly, that's just how I like to do it, y'all. I don't like my bacon super hard and crunchy. So yeah, so about maybe another minute and then we're gonna put on our towel to drain the grease. All right, see you soon. Okay guys, so what I've done is I've diced up some potatoes, just 2 small potatoes and some onion that I had left over, and I kept a little bit of the bacon grease in the pan, and now we're about to make some potatoes. Now obviously if somebody in your crew or family does not eat pork, you know, be mindful of that. So we're just gonna kind of let those potatoes soak up that flavor. I left the little brown bits in there too. Okay. To this, we're going to add a little bit of oregano. Crushed red pepper. Not too much. Some garlic powder. Oh, Lord. Well, I got a new one though, but we're going to use this one up first, y'all. Okay, we got garlic powder going in. I love garlic, so I add a lot. As y'all can see, I have big containers of seasoning. A little bit of cumin. Not too much. And then some paprika. Boom. Alright, gonna let those do their thing, and then I'm going to whisk some eggs and get my pancake mix together, and we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so here's one pancake. It smells so good. I threw the football shaped pancake away because like aesthetically it was just gonna piss me off. So yes. So let me tell y'all what I was talking about. So you keep your butter on the side as reserve, right? Once you start to see like not a lot of bubbles, because you don't want to wait until it's time to flip. But I'm just going to show you guys for the hell of it. You add butter into your pan so that it starts to melt around the edges, so that you get crispy edges. Now that's in the batter, but that's okay. Not everybody likes crispy edged pancakes, but we do. So we're not eating a lot of pancakes because we have so much going on. I'm gonna have another potato. So good. Oh my god. Look at them edges, y'all. So stinking beautiful. Pancake got more edges than some people I know, child. So yes, I'm gonna finish up the pancakes and then we're gonna scramble up the eggs and then I'm going to plate and I will feed you guys. Holla at you in a sec. All right, you guys. Okay, you guys, so again, I washed our pan and I already salt and peppered my eggs. So I'm going to let them kind of start to slowly cook here. And as they slowly start to cook, I'm going to just kind of fold the eggs together. I prefer like a soft scramble on my eggs. Well, my family prefers soft scramble. Alright, you guys, so I already seasoned my eggs with salt and pepper. So they've been cooking for a little second, and then literally what I'm doing is I'm just pushing the edges of the eggs to the center. This is how I always cook my eggs. It takes a little bit of extra time, but in my mind it doesn't. But it's just the best way to get you a nice scrambled egg. Kind of fill the spaces, and you're literally gonna do the same thing again, y'all. The same thing again. It's the perfect technique in my eyes. So same deal. Butter did go in the pan and I let it melt. We are on a low, medium heat. And you're kind of just folding the eggs over. Once they kind of get to like right here, fold them over a couple more times. Okay, so like once they get to about right here, I'm gonna cut the heat because I don't want my eggs hard. They're still cooking though, y'all. Soft scramble, I love. And here is breakfast, you guys. We have our potato hash, bacon, beautiful yummy pancakes. Oh, look how pretty they are. And then we have our eggs. Soft scramble. Bon appetit. Let's eat. All right, you guys, see you later.